Let me guess. You've heard the name Marcus Aurelius thrown around? Maybe in a YouTube short with a slow zoom on a marble statue. Maybe a quote plastered on Instagram. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Cool, deep, wise. But let's be honest, it's also a little distant. Here's the truth. Marcus didn't write Meditations for us. He wrote it for himself, a Roman emperor writing pep talks to survive the chaos around him. And in that chaos, he wrote down 7 rules that could actually change your life, if you actually lived them. So today, we're not going traditional. No lesson, quote, summary package. We're going raw, modern, masculine, and personal. Rule number 1. Control your inner narrative. The things you think about determine the quality of your mind. Your soul takes on the color of your thoughts. Translation: if your mind is garbage, your life will smell like it. Most guys live inside a mental echo chamber of self-doubt. I'm not good enough. I'm behind. She ghosted me because I'm not attractive. Newsflash: your brain believes whatever story you keep repeating, and that story becomes your reality. Marcus wasn't saying, think positive. He was saying, filter what you allow to sit in your mind. The same way you don't let strangers sleep in your bed. Don't let uninvited thoughts set up camp in your head. Stoic rule number 1. Curate your inner playlist. Rule number 2. Don't wish for things to be easier. Don't pray for a life without difficulties. Pray for the strength to endure them. Every man wants ease. Fewer problems, less stress. But here's what Marcus knew. Ease makes you soft. Imagine going to the gym and hoping the weights are light. You'd leave looking exactly how you came in. Weak. Life is the same. Every obstacle is resistance training for your soul. Stop wishing things were easier. That's not stoic. That's soft. Stoic rule number 2. Ask for the strength to carry heavier things. That's stoic masculinity. Rule number 3. Other people's behavior is not your problem. When someone does wrong, it is because they don't know what's right. Marcus had haters, backstabbers, probably even Roman Twitter trolls. But he didn't waste energy on them. Because here's the truth. Most people are operating from pain, ignorance, or fear. That coworker who throws you under the bus? He's insecure. That girl who plays games? She's confused. That family member who doubts you? They're projecting their own failures. When you realize people are acting from their own broken code, you stop taking it personally. It's not weakness, it's clarity. Stoic rule number 3. You're not a therapist. Let them figure themselves out. Protect your peace. Rule number 4. Death is not the enemy. Wasting life is. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. Whoa, that one hits. But listen, Marcus didn't say that to scare himself. He said it to wake up. Most men are walking around half alive, scrolling, complaining, waiting for the right time. Marcus is saying, death is certain, but wasting your life? That's optional. You don't need a near-death experience to start living. You just need to remember, this day might be your last. So stop postponing. Call your dad. Start the business. Apologize. Walk away. Show up. Stoic rule number 4. Live with urgency, not anxiety. Rule number 5. Opinions are cheap. Character is currency. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. I wish every man tattooed it on their mirror. We live in a world obsessed with image, hot takes, flex pics, blue check wisdom. But Marcus, he wasn't about talk. He was about being. Look, you don't need everyone to clap for you. You need you to be proud of you. A man of character doesn't need a round of applause. His actions speak. His values guide. His peace is self-made. Stoic rule number 5. Less talking, more becoming. Rule number 6. You're not tired, you're distracted. Ask yourself at every moment, is this necessary? Here's the brutal truth. Most of us are tired, not from effort, but from meaningless effort. You're not burnt out from working on your goals. You're burnt out from doom scrolling, overthinking, comparing, watching 3 seasons of some show you forgot the name of. Marcus had a filter. Is this necessary? Is this fun? Not, is this what everyone else is doing? Necessary. That one word can change your day. Stoic rule number 6. Cut the crap. Focus on what feeds your soul. Rule number 7. Master yourself or be mastered. The first step, don't be anxious. The second, focus. The third, act without distraction. That sounds simple, but it's a complete framework. Anxiety comes from forecasting the future. Marcus says, don't. Focus? That's your mind coming back home to now. And once you're grounded, you act. No waiting for motivation, no endless planning, just do. Modern men are overstimulated, under-disciplined, and constantly stuck in thinking mode. But thinking isn't living. Doing is. Stoic rule number 7. If you don't take control of yourself, someone else or something else will. So there you go. 7 rules from the emperor who ruled the world, but fought daily to rule himself. Let's be clear, Stoicism isn't about being emotionless. It's about being powerful enough to stay centered when the world spins. It's not a trend. It's a weapon. One you carry quietly. So when chaos shows up, and it will, you don't panic. You respond with clarity, with discipline, with purpose. And if that sounds like the kind of man you're becoming, subscribe, because this channel is about building better men from the inside out. Now tell me in the comments, which of these rules hit you the hardest?